Alright, here's some quick key shortcuts to move around in Google Slides. I'm trying to be as brief as possible. So your biggest and best friend is obviously Control-Z. If you delete something or if you delete entire slides, Control-Z brings back whatever you deleted. Control-B is how you make things bold or not. Control-Italics makes things italicized. And Control-U makes things underlined. Control-U and Control-I are great for scientific names since you have to italicize or underline them. Control-C is how I copy. Control-V is how I paste. Control-X is how I cut. And those are also good in many, many, many other programs. For instance, if I right-click on a website, I can cut, copy, paste with the best of them. That's the right click does that. And it shows you that it's Control-C, Control-X, Control-V. Paste without formatting, Control-Shift-V, we don't need that yet. So we get back to our quick keys. Control-Shift-Period is just for Google Slides and Google Docs. It makes the font big. Control-Shift-Comma makes it small. Alignment. You can get all this here in font size or alignment, but it'd be annoying to hit it every time. So Control-Shift-R right justifies things. Control-Shift-L is left, Control-Shift-E is center. Normally left is what you want. Sometimes you want a center. For instance, on a title, it might be a little bit weird if it was on the left. You probably want a Control-Shift-E, put it in the center. So, next up we have printing, Control-P, and Control-S is saving, which you don't need to do here. Another tool you might like is if you get a really funny word like, what's a good word? Amorphous. That's a weird word. I can first of all see if I spell it right. Nope. And then I can, second of all, go to Tools and define it. And in my tools, it'll give me a definition for these words. So if you find a word you don't know, you don't necessarily need to ask me. It's a quick way to check your work. Lastly, you might want to make a backup copy in case people in your group are less trustworthy. So you might say that it is the backup. And you might save that for yourself and work in your backup copy instead of working in the regular document that anybody can change. These quick keys are useful all the time in many programs, and when you go up here and see these side information under animations, Control-Alt-Shift-B tells you to animate, Control-F5 tells you to present. Those quick keys are meant to save you time, and I hope they do.